Namaste, I Jeevin Gaurav Goyal from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Our today's session is stereotactic radiosurgery in the course Radiotherapy 4 that we discuss about the stereotactic radiosurgery. It is also called SRS technique. Stereotactic radiosurgery is a non-surgical radiation therapy used to treat functional abnormalities and small tumors of the brain. It can deliver precisely targeted radiation in fewer high dose treatments than traditional therapy, which can help preserve healthy tissues. When SRS is used to treat body tumors, it is called stereotactic body radiotherapy SBRT. SRS and SBRT are usually performed on an outpatient basis. Stereotactic radiosurgery is a highly precise form of radiation therapy initially developed to treat small brain tumors and functional abnormalities of the brain. The principles of cranial SRS, namely high precision radiation where delivery is accurate to within 1 to 2 millimeter are now being applied to the treatment of body tumors with a procedure known as a stereotactic body. Despite its name, SRS is a non surgical procedure that delivers precisely targeted radiation at much higher doses in only a single or few treatments. As compared to traditional radiotherapy, this treatment is only possible due to the development of highly advanced radiation technologies that permit maximum dose delivery within the target while minimizing dose to the surrounding healthy tissue. The goal is to deliver doses that will destroy the tumor and achieve permanent local control. SRS and SBRT rely on several technologies. First technology is three-dimensional imaging and localization techniques that determine the exact coordinates of the target within the body. Second technology is systems to immobilize and carefully position the patient and maintain the patient position during therapy. Third technology is highly focused gamma ray or X ray beams that converge on a tumor or abnormalities. Image guided radiotherapy IGRT, which uses medical imaging to confirm the location of a tumor immediately before and in some cases during the delivery of radiation. IGRT improves the precision and accuracy of the treatment. SRS is used to treat many types of brain tumors, including benign and malignant. And next is primary and metastatic. Third is single and multiple. Fourth is residual tumor cells following surgery. Last is intracranial or orbital and base of skull tumors. So the session is over. In this session, we had discussed about the SRS technique. I hope you all satisfied with this session. If you have any query, then put it into the comment box. I will resolve it later. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.